is us out, Chico's World, snowmobiling, having a bonfire. We got a little bank corner there going on. Fun, having some drinks, and on toys. With the good old bonfire. Yeah, it's working now. I heard Brad get some air on that.
Yep.
I heard it too. He's coming to tell us.
You hear that backfire?
Backfire?
It's so tough. I felt it in my leg.
That wasn't a jump?
No.
Oh, really?
Yeah, it went like a backfire.
Let it cool down. Kill it. Let it cool down for a bit.
You got killed for it?
Turn the key. So they said we'll kill it for a bit. Yeah, she's getting hot.
Oh, yeah.
Yeah, she's getting hot.
I ripped her good there.
Yeah, we've been ripping her for about an hour.
That was my fastest lap so far.
How was that, Brad?
That's the fastest one we've had.
That's the fastest sled around here so far. That ain't the best, but hey.
Good.
Good. Yeah, that way we can sit on it.
Not just that, just so it's
away
from
from
the spark on there. Is that poker?
Yeah. Make her lit up good so we can see the sled. There she is. Oh. There. You can kind of see her. Let her cool down a bit. Too bad we weren't out at the lake. Next time, Colin, I think we should go out to the lake.
I agree.
Yeah?
I gotta get a fuel pump first.
Yeah, well, we got you one coming. We got you a fuel pump coming, Colin. And then we'll go for sure.
We got it in the next few weeks before the snow was done.
Yeah. It's Canada.
It's fucking snowing right now.
It's snowing, you're shoveling, and you're saying the snow's leaving. Are you on crack or really good alcohol or really good other drugs besides crack?
There. Little cleaner.
There. Now Brad's gonna just screw it up again.
Oh no.
Okay, Jeff did.
Oh yeah.
Hey, I can actually see you.
It's because I'm in this light. You gotta get on this side where the light's at.
Hey Brad, how you doing?
Why the fuck isn't there light over there?
I don't know.
I guess it's
What's that? It's a vehicular object.
Yeah. I hit my truck here.
Get out of here. Our territory. Alright, come on by. If you got beer, come on over. They don't got beer. They kept going.
No beer. My
No
truck's
beer.
on the road. Colin's driveway.
Oh yeah, your truck's way over there, eh? Why don't you pull your truck in, Bird?
I don't care then.
Well, I want to videotape you getting stuck.
No, I don't.
Brad?
I really don't.
Brad.
Pull it with a sled.
Brad, we'll pull it out with a sled.
No, it's okay.
Brad,
That's okay.
we should... Oh, I wish we could play tug-of-war.
What?
With something.
Truck against the sled?
Yeah, truck against the sled.
You pull me.
Seriously, can we try it?
With those tires, yeah, maybe.
Can we try it?
I think it'd be a standstill.
Can we try it?
I'll pop my tire doing it.
Brad, do you know how many YouTube people right now are listening to this and they want you to?
No. I can't afford tires.
Colin,
Not
where's your truck?
not my vehicle. It's not my truck.
Where is your other truck?
That one, it has fucking flat tires and no battery.
Flat tires.
We're driving on flat tires.
That's better.
Just delete the battery.
That's what I was worried about with mine.
Can we just... Damn it.
That's good. Good fire right there.
Well, that'd be fun. Can't even see nothing.
Tell you, get me a fuel pump and we'll do sled against sled. One cylinder against two cylinder. Or
No, you got a
one
twin
carb against
cylinder.
two carb.
Yeah. Twin carb against a single.
340 against a 500.
340 against a 500, yeah.
It'll be a
I don't know.
matter of track.
Yours has got a good track too.
Yeah, it'll be a matter of...
Mine's got a pretty good track. You can't really see though.
So I tell you,
Yours is fast too.
It's
but
peppy.
that one handles a lot better though.
it's twice as stable.
Oh yeah.
This one's a real stable. I can't believe it, man.
Mine's a little more fun.
I like that.
Okay, bye.
Like the rest
Say bye.
Bye. Get out of here.
Bye.
Fuckers.